This is Hélène. Eric is in the lazy boy downstairs. He's lazy. He's a boy, so maybe he's allowed. So today we're making the first review for Miss Fresh, and this is what we're cooking. Chicken pineapple fried rice, and this is what we got. Looks quite a lot. Chili. Eric's gonna freak out. See you later. So chicken pineapple fried rice, this is what it's supposed to look like. This is what we got, and we have about as much in the wok. I'm gonna be doing this review. Okay, so we just finished, and as you can see, we didn't finish our plates. There's still some in the wok. Portion wise, that's really a huge portion. Like basically would have fed 3, maybe 4 people. However, the reason why there's still food on our plate, Eric kind of liked it, but he wasn't feeling too well. But for me, I was really disappointed. It tasted a lot like Eastern Indian food instead of Chinese. The mix of spices, they call it Colombo mix, had curry in it, which was kind of odd. Didn't expect it, and it clashed with the rest of the recipe for me. The other thing is the chicken was chewy. It was supposed to be, well, it was chicken thighs. The issue with that was that you'll see here that they gave us a huge onion. And the recipe called to cook the onion with the chicken, but there was like 4 times more onions than chicken, so it kind of boiled instead of broil. So the chicken was like becoming gray. I had to remove half of the onion and cook the chicken separately first, but it was a bit too late, so now the chicken was not really a good texture. I don't know why they gave us so much onion. You can tell by the look in the plate, like I removed half of it and there's still a whole lot of it. The other thing that was kind of odd making that recipe, it's pretty much, it looks like yum as far as the size of the little leaflet, but there's pictures. They ask us to cook to prep the onion, the carrot, and the chicken. Could cut them everything before starting cooking, and then later on they ask us to cut the lime. And so usually when you cut stuff up, you don't cut the chicken and then cut something else after using the same knife and cutting board. So I had to throw all of that away and use new ones, which was a waste. If I would have known, I would have cut the Thai pepper and the lime first and the chicken last. So pretty much the recipe was very basic. The other odd thing that I found about it is that they made us cook the rice and put it hot to fry. It doesn't fry rice well that way. Rice is better fried when it's cold. So the rice was not a very good texture either. It wasn't really fried rice. So anyways, this recipe for me was a fail. I didn't like it much. Still gonna have to eat it though because there's tons of leftovers. Eric kind of liked it, so let's say it was maybe 2 out of 5. Won't be my favorite one. Won't order it ever again. That's it. I guess I need to say that Magic Phil is a great magician, although oh yeah, he is. He's great. He's great. He's amazing. And stay tuned for later. We're gonna do the teriyaki trout. I'm having high hopes for that. I really like trout. I really like teriyaki fish. So let's see for the next recipe from Miss Fresh.